Hey y'all. Sorry for the the late start. I had to grab my coffee. Super, super important. So, today we're going to be doing some shit. Specifically, we're going to be circling back to my Spark PR that I've sort of left for. How do I say this? I've let it be over my mini vacation, I would say. Yeah. So, yeah, let's do this. Okay, actually, wait, before we jump directly in, let's talk about the good things. So, the good things are, it's been reviewed, a fair amount. Um, yeah, yeah, not while I'm at work, but yeah. Um, Although I guess I do wear my collar pretty much all the time. Um, and one could argue. Anyways, yeah, let's leave that be. Anyways, so yeah, we are going to work on. Oh, the BDSM panda behind me. Oh, this is a koala. Um, uh, from Australia. I think from Australia. There was a nice little store that I got them at. Anyways, let's do some coding. Or well, let's read through the code review comments and see what we want to do. Um, So the first one is Spark locals dir. We can clean that up. So we'll do that. We'll do that in the startup script. Um, there's more comments here. Okay. Minor knit. Um, yeah. Okay. And then so this was suggested as yeah from Australia. I don't remember which conference. I'm super bummed. I missed one of the conferences in Australia that I was really excited about. Yao, when I got when I got hit. I'm not from Australia. The koala's from Australia. I'm from Canada. But I live in America now because I make interesting life choices. Um, so yeah. The thing here is essentially Dongjun suggested that I factor this out into a separate PR. It's pretty small, so let's go ahead and do that right now. That's a relatively easy thing to do. So to factor it out into a separate PR, what we're going to do is we're going to file a issue because we tend to track the issues. Tend to try and track all of our changes with JIRAs. We'll call this improvement priority minor. Yeah, add resource profile to Spark pods labels. Components, Kubernetes, effect version 3.3.0. Assigned to me. In Spark 36058, I added doot. Dongjun suggested that this could be a useful improvement on its own, e.g. for situations like wanting to uh, inspect or collect metrics by resource profile. Okay, so we'll create that issue, yeehaw, and then what we're going to do here is we're actually going to go ahead git checkout master git pull apache github master git checkout -b add resource profile to Spark Pods labels. Okay, and so then what we'll do here is we're going to find all of the resource profile. Okay. So basic executor feature step. Okay. Oh. Yes. Okay. Labels.sjava. So then add that. Yeah. Shouldn't need any changes here. Stateful set pod allocator wouldn't be added anyways, so we're good. Resource underscore profile ID. Where else do we use that? Huh. Constants. Scala. Resource profile ID label. That's already in there. Interesting. Resource manager is Kubernetes. Let's go take a look at Kubernetes conf. Resource profile. Okay, so this comes from labels. Oh, actually, so this should work. This should already work. Actually, yeah. So, resolve issue, duplicate. Resolve, okay, so I think what we'll do here is, let's go back here. Let's go find this comment. Okay, resource profile. Okay. Dug through the code. Looks like this is a duplicate. Change already handled in kubeconf. So I'll drop it. Cool. So then what we'll do here, basic executor feature step, let's go back to that branch, and then basic executor feature step. Get rid of that. Okay, then let's go back to looking at the files changed. Okay. For other comments. Okay. Here we go. So this is inside of config.scala. Okay, line 328. Wait, what? Allocator, weird. Wait, what branch am I on? Hit branch. Ah. Okay, that's why. Wrong branch. This is the branch that I want. There we go. Fuck yeah. Okay. That's the ticket. Deal with that knit. Missing space. Does that look right? Let's double check. Yeah. We don't go. Yeah, we go exactly to 100. Okay. Okay. Works for me. So, I guess what we'll do here, Kubernetes allocation. Uh, Possible values are direct stateful set, or a full class name of a class implementing executor pods allocator, implementing abstract pods allocator. Okay. So then, implementing abstract pods allocator. This is going to be annoying to do, because namely, so uh, I think abstract class SQL core src main. Let's go take a look at file table.scala. Well, yeah, okay. So then this is gonna be annoying to do, but we can do that. Oh, okay, yeah, and then it's entry point.sh. Uh, uh, yep. Doot, doot, doot. Doot, doot, doot. So then what we want to do here is do the cleanup, but I want to go take a look at block. Okay. Block store, block manager, disk. I think it's like disk store. Yeah, disk store.scala. Okay. Local? Uh, so, file name. No? Okay. I thought there was, okay. Ah, okay. Def get file. Okay. Get file? Disk manager. Okay. Disk man. Disk block manager.scala. Okay. Uh. 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 Okay. So. Percent 02x. I don't remember. Okay, subdir ID. What does percent 02x do in a format string? Format string percent 02x. Okay. So then, bash match digits. ls. That's a legit question. So I do this because it makes me focus. And yeah, yeah. And also I think like probably some people watch it after it's recorded, and I hope that it shows people that like contributing to open source is really it's quite doable. And I really hope that this helps encourage more people to contribute to open source. I don't know if that's going to succeed or not, but you know, that's my hope. That's my hope. And like I got to write this code anyways, right? Doot. Clean up. Clean up the local storage. Clean up the local storage for in case we've been restarted, so we don't have any dangling blocks. Let's orphan blocks. There we go. Can I add disk to it and still be under 100? Fuck yeah. Orphan disk blocks. There we go. Cool. Sounds good. What was I doing? Oh, right. I was making this the entry point. Okay. What else is there? Okay. So the main thing. Okay, yeah, here. Spark exception inside of executor pod snapshot. execute line 74. Okay. Spark exception. I guess the other thing that I can be doing while we're doing this, build SBT. Actually, yeah, clean, compile, Kubernetes test. So that's cool. Oh yeah, there we go. So now Kubernetes cluster manager.scala. Okay, control B, Kubernetes. Okay, Kubernetes cluster manager.scala. And this is line 113. So I'm gonna do this. And then what we do here, stateful set pods allocator.scala. And this is going to be executor pods. Yep. Okay. And then it's gonna give us the name. Now we get to make it through reflection, which I kind of hate doing. But I know that we do inside of the data set. Maybe data frame reader.scala format. Okay. Okay. Look up. Shit. I hate this part. This part's kind of annoying. Okay. So, what we'll do... what are we gonna do? Yeah. Yeah. It keeps me focused, keeps me from reading my email and checking Twitter. I mean, to be fair, I still do glance at my email during compilation. I'm gonna be right back. I have to go put my nose. Okay. That's a good question. The amount of time that I spend coding from day to day changes a fair amount. Um, you know, some days I don't write any code. Some days I get to write like code for 8 hours. sometimes 10. Often, like, maybe 2 or 3. I find that I spend a lot of time these days reviewing code and meetings, getting people to agree about things, sort of the things that come uh, from, yeah, being around long enough. Okay. Uh, okay. I never remember how to do this. Scala make class using reflection. Do 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 do. Um. hmm, Um. Okay, Scala make class from string. Uh. Okay, so I think this is gonna be what I end up doing. Executor pods allocator is going to be equal to executor pods allocator name. Oop, dot map class name. Doot, class name, and it is an instance of abstract pods allocator. Dot uh um uh how do I do new instance with arguments? Okay, solid. Uh, 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 hmm. That seems like a pain in the ass. Uh, hmm. Oh, yeah, I mean, there's a bunch of them. Um, all of them are developer tools because that's sort of like what I know. Uh, what? Get constructor. Okay. Um, okay. Get constructor example. Uh, what? Huh. But that doesn't. That's not very useful. Uh. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeehaw. Dot get constructor. Yeah. Security manager. Kubernetes. Executor builder. There's one that I did try and build. It was a source code search engine. It did not work out as a business. Uh, SecMGR, executor builder, Kubernetes, oop, Kubernetes client, snapshot store, clock. This is a bit janky. But let's take a look. Don't need clean. Wish home and end keys worked properly in SBT, but okay. Hmm. Oh, okay. Uh, oh, okay. Oh, yeah, okay. This is class of. Or is it just class? Yeah. Oh, cool. 1 second. Okay. It sounds like we own a house now. Yeah, I do get paid to contribute to open source. Otherwise, I would not have the time to do this. Uh, like, um, Uh, uh, okay. Okay. So we need clock. I need security manager spark comp. Security manager spark comp. I don't need spark exception here. I do need Kubernetes client. What else do we need? Okay. Oh, executor pod snapshot store. Uh, executor pod snapshot. That's already in this namespace. Kubernetes client, Kubernetes executor builder. I think that's in this namespace. Okay, cool. I think that's it. Let's find out. Okay, let's find out if we use class for name in other places or if we do smarter things. Yeah, we do. Oh, so I'm contributing to Apache Spark, which is a distributed processing stuff. So not a website. Although, okay, executor snapshot. Looks like I definitely need to import the Spark exception to this one. Utils.class for name. Okay. I guess we can try that. Instead, executor Kubernetes cluster manager. Okay. Utils.scala. I think inside util class for name. Shit. Hmm. Oh, interesting. Okay. So what we would do here is we would give it abstract pods allocator. What does it do with initialize? It's fine. Spark util utils. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, I guess, abstract pods allocator. Um, Ah. Okay, yeah. I'll teach you. Okay. Too used to doing everything in a map, because this is... Okay. Oh, yeah. EST. Instructor. Okay, executor pod. Snapshot. Okay. Executor pod. Snap pods. Snapshot store. Uh, that's weird. That's hella weird. Cause like, okay, cool, solid. So now let's do a get diff. And the old way that we did the constructor is, yep. So this is what we pass in. Oh. Reflection. It tastes like raisins. Okay. That's weird. I was expecting it to still fail. But that is okay. Cool. The test pass. That's a fucking party. Okay. Okay. So git commit -am code review feedback. Clean up the spark locals dir when executing entry point. You have to find allow user to specify a arbitrary abstract pods allocator. More precise exception. What else is there? That is it. And I dig it. So yeehaw. I think that's all of the things that we changed. Oh, I guess the other thing that I want to do which was implicitly suggested, uh, is to change this into a developer API. Okay. Annotation. Oh, fuck. Developer API. Okay. Ah. Doot. Oh, go take a look at the context-aware iterator. Okay. And if this is going to be a developer API, I probably need to write a abstract interface for pods for allowing different types of pods allocation. The internal Spark implementations are so then what we'll do here, this API may change or be removed anytime. Yeah, okay. And then the other annotation that I'm going to want, most likely, I think, is 3.0. Oh. This may be useful for folks integrating with custom schedulers such as Volcano, Unicorn, Cube, etc. This API may change or be removed at any time. At any time. Yes. Stateful set the pods allocator. So then the other thing that I'm going to do here is, do we have a developer? Yeah. This is a developer API. Pods allocator. Dude, this is developer API and may change or be removed. May change or be removed at any time. Yeehaw. Okay, let's run the tests again. I would say. Don't know if it's going to be successful. Okay. Abstract pods allocator. Okay. At developer API, I think, right? Context. Oh, it's developer API. Okay, let's. There we go. Expose the abstract pods allocator. as a developer API, as suggested slash requested by Dr. John. And who was the other person who suggested it? Developer API. And Aruna. Okay, cool. So then the next thing that I'm going to do is git checkout master. Oh wait, actually no, git check git rebase master because we have conflicts and that sucks, but that's okay. Ah, cool. The PV test suite. It looks like someone probably got around to fixing it, so that's really exciting. Okay, cool. I think sounds good. Doot. Git rebase dash dash continue. Cool. Oh yeah, and git push force with lease. Now, as I mentioned, we've already been backporting this, and normally because I would pick up these changes for backporting, except none of these code review changes are sort of things that I particularly care about backporting. Like they're not critical. So we're not gonna bother doing that. But like if we find a bug or something, I'll definitely cherry pick that into my backport. 3.6. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, okay. This is the branch where we are doing the backport, and so now we're going to continue doing the backport. And this is going to take a hot minute, so I'm actually going to use this opportunity to clean compile Kubernetes slash test. I'm going to take this opportunity to go like grab a quick snack and some water and stuff. So I'm going to do a quick bio break because the clean compile is going to take a while. Okay. It looks like my assertion that this is going to take a while is wrong because my unsafe compile failed. Which is weird because I haven't changed shit there. Hmm. Now I remember. I need to switch my GD. I need to switch my JDK version. And so that's what we're going to do. Export Java underscore home JDK8. And yeah. Because supporting JDK11 it's something that I I know other people have backported, but like it's a bunch of work to do. So now we'll do our clean compile. And this will take a hot minute. And so while this is going on, I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the open PRs. See what we can review. Oh. Oh. Huh. Weird. Thought I updated the requirements.txt. Looks like I didn't. Oh no, sorry. Repos ray python requirements.txt. Color. That's in there. Uh. 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 Okay. Okay. Yeah. And so then why is that not working? I'm very confused. Um, hmm. In... Let's go take a look. Here, when we're building... It's building Ray Wheel. Okay, Ray Depths. Okay. That is a fresh run. Huh. Weird. Oh, that's because that's not the right package name. Okay, cool. Can't spell for shit. Or more accurately, Americans and the rest of the world don't agree. Cool. The test passed. That's really weird. I was not expecting the test to pass. Uh, yeah, okay. Uh, huh. Okay, so this is the one, and that's the one where the test pass. How fascinating. Uh, do I have any stateful? tests that I've backported. That's probably a no. I guess what I need to do now, like the only stateful test that I've implicitly backported is the integration suite. And so that is what I need to do now. Build slash Maven. And then we're not going to use 11J or eSlim. We're going to use 8 because we're running an earlier version of Spark. Oh, and I guess activate underscore MK. Activate. Okay. Keep CTL get config. Actually, I guess minikube status would be good enough. Okay. Minikube start. And this is going to take a while. That's going to suck. But I think we do have to do a like full clean build with Maven and actually run the integration test and see what happens. Because then if it does work, that's great. And then the next thing that I can do on top of this is trying to integrate with some other stuff. But it's solid. Okay, that's going to take a while. So we will go ahead and look at yeah, okay. Okay, cool. Let's take a look at any of the build changes. Okay. Okay. The other ones where I like have context to do reviews is Python. Oh yeah. This one's been going on for a while. Okay. I'm confused though because it does not appear to be making the sound. Ah, there we go. So it is not using Java Home. Okay. Update alternatives. So we are going to have to point this at 2. And we're also going to have to point this at 2. Okay. Really hate switching between JDK 8 and 11. I wish we managed to get the JDK 11 support backported into 2.4, but that was an argument that I did not win. Okay. Let's take a look at what the latest is on this. It looks like everything's fine. Actually, maybe... Okay, what was the latest? The latest is it's waiting on this PR. I'm pretty sure from what I remember, this PR was merged. Great. I just want to see where we left off. Did I give it an LGTM or like a tentative LGTM? I thought I did, but I could be wrong. Let's go. Oh, so many tests. Yeah. Uh, uh, okay. Sounds good. Okay. Um, so yeah, I think okay, tentative LGTM. So yeah. Um I want to scroll through the files changed, make sure no one has left any comments that are just like, yo, hell's no. Because I try and respect my other committers' opinions. Um, okay. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. So it looks like what? Maybe change this to okay. It looks like from what I see, everyone is okay with this PR. So yeah, we can just go ahead and merge it. Yeah. Okay, fuck yeah. Now I'm not gonna merge it in my main Spark thing, and that's because our merge script like does a bunch of magic with the branch. So okay. Oh, I guess the other thing that I want to check right before merge is just make sure that this is the right Jira. Because I, can't change that after the fact. Spark 24. Oh, I want to find Spark 34309. Okay. Cool. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, we can use the corrected title. And yeah, use caffeine instead of guava. Let's go over here. And push to Apache. Okay. And I have to go get my password, which is in the password manager. Because I enjoy. Put something else to my clipboard so I don't accidentally paste it while I'm streaming. I'm gonna have to rotate my password again. Yeah, looking solid. Uh, yeah, it's gonna take some time. We don't want to backport this because it's an improvement, and like Yang. Cool. Fixed version is 330 resolve. So then what we'll do is, yep, merge to the current branch. Merge to the current dev branch, targeting 330. Thanks everyone for taking the time to review the PR, and special thanks to for sticking with this for several months. Cool. And there we go. Party. Yeah. Okay, cool. I'm stoked. How is our Maven build coming? Okay, slow, but kind of as expected, sort of slow. What do I want to do? Okay, Maven build is in progress. I can't do a lot. Oh, right, I can review my other PRs. Yes. That's why. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's probably a good fix. Um, do. Uh, uh, do, 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 Ah, yeah. Hmm. Okay. Wait, what? Uh, okay. So this sounds like there's two people who, God damn it, Twitch spam. Like Dongjun and the PR author are having a conversation. Super solid. Don't I don't think I need to get in the way. Report this person. How do I report people again? I click on their name and the three dots. Report. Spam. I mean, I guess it's a bot account most likely too. Doot. Locked, and then this person. Uh, doot. And then block. Okay. Cool. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah. Okay. That's the sound of Maven finishing? Ah. Oh, I guess the Java image tag is new in Spark 3.x, so I guess we won't specify that. So that sounds cool. So let's run our integration tests and see what happens. What do I need to do after this? Maybe make lunch. I like lunch. Huh. Well, this is making progress of a sort. Uh, 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 okay. 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 Uh, okay. Okay. Cool. Solid. I'm gonna go blow my nose again, but then when we come back, we're gonna start addressing these issues. And these are things that we've already sort of had to deal with when we were backporting the unit tests, but now we have to deal with them again to backport the integration tests. Okay. The exciting life of supporting multiple versions of Spark. Okay. Basic test suite. Okay. So, actually, first things first. Let's see if I already have that in my git log or if I did that separately. Looks like I didn't. But let's go ahead and find matchers. Okay. Fuck. Okay, stateful set allocator suite. Okay. Stateful set allocator suite. Okay. So, okay. Okay. Should be core SRC test. Okay, so let's go take a look at the status tracker suite. Okay. So here we import org scala test matchers. And then we say with matchers? Does that sound right? Um uh what's the next compile error that we've got compiling our tests? Oh, I guess they're over here. Okay, Kubernetes suite. Line 159. Okay, this is just an array instead of a sequence. That's fine. Oh, oh wait. Line 159. Okay, let's go ahead and Kubernetes suite.scala def run spark application. Okay. App resource, main class, expected app args, driver pod check, executor pod check. App locator? What do we do with app locator? App locator. Buttons. Okay, I guess. App args, app locator, buttons. Ooh. Uh, eh? Hmm. Oh, I guess we actually just give it app locator. Okay. Uh, okay. Uh, okay. Oh, and this is inside of PV test suite. Okay. Really don't care about check PVs, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Cool. That simplifies things a little bit. Oh, and I guess we didn't have... Did we just not have a PV test suite? Okay, get log dash p PV test suite. Oh, PV tests. PV tests. Yeah, okay. We're not gonna bother trying to backport these. This is a giant pile of poop. It's not a giant pile of poop. It's a bunch of work that I don't really feel like backporting, and I don't think we need to backport the PV tests. Especially not for my purposes. And since this is backporting, I can just care more about my purposes of why I'm doing the backport, because the backport isn't going to go and get merged upstream. It's just going to be in a branch for other people, if they're interested in it. um, so that's some progress there. Okay. Ah. Wait, what? Okay. Kubernetes suite line 165. Okay. Kubernetes suite Scala. Okay. Oh, okay. Uh, so yeah. PyFiles is none, and then this is just implicitly false, but okay, cool. What's the other thing? Executor pod checker. Okay, cool. Executor pod checker. Oh, requires Boolean. Okay. Which one's that coming from? Kubernetes suite line 187. Okay. So I guess Boolean. Boolean. Wait, what? No, this does go to type unit. What the fuck is it talking about? Okay. Bound. Oh, okay. Found executor pod checker required none. Okay. Um. Okay. So app args, driver pod checker, executor pod checker. Buttons? Except also, we don't use either of these, so I can just get rid of them. Yeah, that's going to simplify my life. Yeehaw. Okay. Uh, yeah. I always like it when I can um deal with things. Doot. Okay. Yeah. This will be nice if it works. That would be pretty exciting. We'll see. Let's see. If it works, it means the next step that I have to do is integrating with this other thing. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Building the containers. That's a good sign. There's a good chance that we might have tests run today. It would be exciting. It would be exciting. What day is today? Oh, it's Wednesday. Okay. Um. Okay, this is going to take a hot minute, so I am also, once again, going to go blow my nose. Because, yeah, yeah. Yeah, having a cold kind of sucks. Um, Especially during COVID times. But the COVID test came back negative, but like, Okay. Still building the containers. Okay. Oh shit, is this gonna... Oh fuck. I wonder if this is gonna try and run with Python 2 and fail because of that. Because Spark 2.4 is super old. Super old. Hmm. Okay. This is just really slow. I'm really lazy. I'm sure. Oh, I was gonna put on music, but then I forgot. Yeah. Probably turn the volume down a fair amount. uh. Okay. Uh, okay, 2 p.m. Fuck yeah. Okay, cool. Cool. Um. Oh, cool. It's running. It's running. Okay. Okay. Cool. Kubectl get pods dash n spark dash w. Oh. Okay. Not great, but let's take a look at kubectl logs dash n spark dash f. Okay. What's happening here? That's getting a snapshot. And then it's saying is deleted. Weird. Okay. So I guess CTL get pods dash and spark. Huh. Okay. So I don't know why they're all getting deleted immediately. That part is a little bit confusing. Which one are we running? Let's go take a look at Kubernetes suite. Yeah. So yeah, this. Oh, that's the decommission suite, which, okay, that's may or may not give us difficulties. Let's run with basic suite. Oh, okay, so okay, the pods are failing, but I don't know why. Okay, this is tricky. I guess. Step that over there. kubectl get pods dash n spark dash w kubectl logs dash n spark dash f. So I really want to figure out why it's not working. Wait, what's the compilation error? I don't see it. Uh, um, super weird. Um, uh, huh. Okay. Ooh. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Oh, huh. Okay. Don't know what's going on. That's pretty much par for the course. Let's see what happens. Yeah. 248 snapshot bin. Test one. Gonna. Oh, maybe I fucked up the entry point inadvertently in the backport. I could see that. Okay. Cool. Wait, is that already gone? It's already gone. Okay. I have no idea. Okay. kubectl get logs for all pods in namespace. Really, that's what I want. Oh, kubectl. Okay. Uh. Okay. Cute. kubectl -l. Yeah, spark rule. But it won't let me do -f. Okay, but it looks like maybe it's in the entry point. So let's go take a look at entry point.sh. Maybe I fucked it up in here. Okay. So I don't know what's going on, but this is what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna sleep for 30 seconds and kind of YOLO, and we'll see what happens. Cause like, I don't think we need to do a clean, but we do need to like build a new TGZ. Okay, so cool. Let's do that. Figure out what's going on. I could see this backport logic. This is running in Bash, right? Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, wait, we've had this before. Okay. kubectl delete pods -n spark. Yeah, okay. kubectl in follow in -f mode. What? Okay. Okay. God damn it. Dude, message me again. Fuck. Okay. Um. Yeah. I don't know. Um. Yeah. Okay. Um. So at the the very least, we should be able to like have the time to put the log, connect our logger, and figure out what's going on. And in the meantime, I guess the other thing that I can do to try and figure out what we're doing is, let's take a look here. Cool. Get diff entry point. Okay, what have I changed in the entry point? Really not much. So I'm confused how it would be the entry point. Oh, the other thing. Let's go take a look at entry point that I want to do. Okay, no, cool. We do run in EX mode. So that'll help debugging. Cool. Okay. Uh, uh, okay. This is so slow. So slow. Okay. Fine. Uh, okay. Well, whatever. It's gonna take a hot minute. I'm gonna go grab another snack. I'll be right back. Okay. We got tomato and paprika flavored chips. They taste weird, but the food that I've got, so YOLO. Actually, these taste weird enough. I don't think I'm gonna eat them. But it's good because we're building the containers. Um, so that's exciting. Um, that's exciting. Um, let's see. Okay, cool. Kubernetes Suite. This is going to take 60 seconds or 30 seconds before it starts running, because the first thing that this is going to do is sleep for 30 seconds. And then I'll kick off an executor that'll give me time to attach log-f to it, and then we can see what the hell's going on, like why it's failing. Which I don't know. Okay, cool. This is what I want to see. We're going to sleep for 30 seconds. It's probably going to fail. I don't know how. Like, I don't know what the error is. I was thinking it might be a bug in the entry point, but like I'm not super seeing that. I was thinking maybe JDK version, but honestly, like if it's the JDK JRE mismatch version, huh? What the hell? That just failed immediately after shift. What? Oh. Okay. Um. Let's go back here. Okay. Yep, that's the bug. This shift one, unrelated, no idea what it's doing in there. And I want to go and take a look. Uh, Okay, so okay, that makes sense. Oh right, that's the other thing that I wanted to do though before I just go ahead, because sometimes I do catch bugs during backporting. So I want to make sure that this isn't one of those situations that and this is actually just something that accidentally got picked up in the backport. So let's go ahead, let's take a closer look at my proposed entry point changes over here. Oh, yeah. So this is just some shit that got picked up. Uh, Instead of relying on pod name, uh, no. Um, that didn't seem to be a good match. Uh, uh, since our executor snapshot depends on being able to determine the exec ID for a given pod as well. And if we did it fully dynamically, we wouldn't be able to know. And we'd have to make even bigger changes to how we handle snapshot updates. Cool. That's a comment from 3 days ago that I apparently missed. That's great, though, that we caught it right now. Other thing that I need to do here, though. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna. Okay. Yeah. Backport integration tests. Fix up. Drop shift 1. That was added by mistake to executor entry point during backport. Cool. So we'll do that again, and then kubectl delete pods dash n spark. Cool. So we'll delete those 2 pods, and then we'll run these tests. Okay, let's hope this version of the test should at least work. That's exciting. Or flexible versions of the word exciting. Okay. I hope the test pass. I do. Or at least give me an interesting failure. I'd settle for an interesting failure. Yeah. I guess we did like catch an actual error, so like that's not bad. Um, um, yeah. Cool. Building the containers. Building the containers. There's a good chance that we might be able to actually do something. Oh. Not a guarantee, but a good chance. Close enough. Um, okay, cool. Cool. Driver is up. Oh, damn it. What? The driver errored. Wait. What? What? What's the error? Oh. Okay, cool. So that's solid. It's failing. Ah. Okay. 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 Okay, so it's failing because it's not the stateful set name that it's trying to make is like it's not a valid stateful set name. That is okay. The question is, why is it? Okay, let's go take a look at the stateful set allocator. No. Stateful set allocator. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, ostensibly, we don't have an application ID being passed in. Oh, hey, Bubble. Thanks. So it looks like, yeah, the application ID isn't getting configured. So let's go take a look at the okay. Okay, tar. Okay, Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend.scala allocator. Huh. Okay. Okay, set target. Okay. Except here, it looks like we haven't called start. Let's go take a look at this. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. Um, so we're gonna reorder this. And I think that'll do the trick. That's my theory, at least. Um, let's go take a look at how the executor pods allocator would handle that. What do we do inside of def start? We add a subscriber. Oh yeah, yeah, I've got some music playing. Carolyn's doing okay. Um, uh, yeah, yeah. Okay, we're gonna run it again. And I think, I think this time it might be successful. The other thing that I'm gonna do is because I'm doing this anyways, because I'm doing this on top of the decommissioned backend stuff, I want to also include decommission suite. Oh. Yeah. We both have colds, which is unfortunate, but tested negative for COVID, so that's good. Or maybe it's allergies, I don't know. Hard to say, but we're both a little stuffy. Okay. And so actually, I've got a meeting at at 2, and it's a little after 1, and I haven't eaten lunch yet. And so this is going to take a while to run. But in theory, I think we've got the fix for it, and I'm hoping that's the case. And if that is the case, I can um, when we get back, we can sort of continue. Uh, I know I that's very kind. Um, I'm just I like I like what I do. I like writing books, writing code. I like streaming. I'm very fortunate that uh, I I have outlets to write code and get paid for it, and write books and get paid for them. I really like it. It's really nice, and I I know not everyone with with those interests gets the same opportunities that I've had. So I'm very grateful for the opportunities that I've had. Uh, Thank you, thank you. I hope everyone is staying safe. Um, Hope they're and yeah, yeah. Uh, I'm gonna go make lunch and eat lunch before I have that meeting with my skip level, so that like I'm not on the top of my game, but at least like semi awake for the meeting with her. So thanks everyone for joining. I might continue in the afternoon. There's a bunch of Spark meetings and other meetings this afternoon. Depending on where this ends up, I'll circle back to it in a few hours, or if it maybe I might do some looking at the Ray stuff. Actually, uh, yeah, yeah. I'm glad you dropped in to say hi. I appreciate it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Life has been hard for you. I feel that. I I take Prozac and other things to help with my mood. So know that you're not alone out there. Um, it's rough, but You'll get through it too.